Hi there, this right here is the Sonos Ray. Is it any good? Let's find out. Starting off with the unboxing, it comes packaged in a similar fashion to its more expensive counterparts, meaning it's quite a pleasant unboxing experience here. In the box, it comes with everything you'll need to get it up and running. There's an optical cable, a power cable, and then of course, the soundbar. There's no wall mounting kit included here, so you will have to shell out an extra $39 for that. Now, it's time to set it up. All you need is your smartphone and the Sonos app, which will walk you through the entire setup process. Pretty simple. All you need to do is create your Sonos account. You need to have Wi-Fi, your smartphone, and you're good to go. There's no remotes included here, so to control the soundbar, you either have to get up and walk to the soundbar, or you use your smartphone, or maybe even get a third-party remote that's compatible with the Ray. The Ray features a sleek, minimalistic design that fits well into most living rooms. It comes in two colors, black and white. It's relatively small, about 22 inches wide, which makes it a great choice if you want to fit it into tighter spaces or for smaller TVs. The build quality is solid. It's constructed out of polycarbonate. It feels nice, it's a nice feeling plastic with a matte finish that looks both modern and unobtrusive. All of the touch capacitive control buttons are located on the top. You can adjust the volume, skip or pause a track, and check out the LED status light. But overall, I like the design here. It stays understated to blend seamlessly in pretty much all kinds of home setups. The Sonos Ray offers limited connectivity compared to other soundbars at this price range. It connects to your TV through an optical input, no HDMI ARC or an eARC, which means you don't get some of the more advanced features like automatic volume leveling or Dolby Atmos support. But the Ray can handle 5.1 surround sound formats like Dolby Digital and DTS, but it downmixes them into stereo. However, it does support Wi-Fi for streaming, so you can integrate it with your other Sonos speakers or control it via the app, Alexa, or Google Assistant. Talking about the app, in here you can adjust the EQ, switch between different sound modes like speech enhancement and night sound. Also, it doesn't have Bluetooth or a headphone jack, so if you're going to be needing these features, you might want to keep this in mind. At first, I found this a bit annoying. I had some adjusting to do, but once I got used to it, I found it to be quite a seamless experience. For its size, the Ray delivers an impressive sound. With a maximum power output of 50 watts, it offers a good balance between clear dialogue, deep bass, and an immersive listening experience. It features 4 Class D digital amplifiers, each carefully optimized for the soundbar's distinctive acoustic design, 2 tweeters that deliver clear, crisp highs, with 2 high-efficiency mid-woofers ensuring accurate mid-range reproduction. While it might not pack a punch of a higher-end soundbar like the Sonos Beam or the Arc, it still manages to produce a rich soundstage. The bass isn't overwhelmingly deep, but it's sufficient enough for casual TV viewing and light music listening. It also does well with dialogue clarity, which is a key strength for a soundbar at this price range and at this size. One of the most attractive features of the Sonos Ray is its price. It sits at the lower end of the Sonos soundbar range, making it a great option for those who want to enjoy quality audio without having to spend a lot. For a soundbar that delivers clear, balanced sound, easy setup, and great integration with other Sonos products, the Ray offers excellent value for anyone looking to get into the Sonos ecosystem, or for anyone that wants a compact soundbar to upgrade their TV speakers.
Would you humor me? If you knew how you were going to die, how would you live your life differently?
My name is Atriox, and I am the last face you will ever see.
like the main power cells are fried. Auto shut down. Triggering survival mode. I'm going to try to overwrite. Okay. If you can hear me in there, I hope you're ready. Please don't die. Please don't die. Yes! 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 Oh, easy there, big guy. You're not.
Status report.
Status report? What? We lost. Lost everything. There's nothing left for us here. I don't think we're here is. No, not then. Not again.
Turning up the volume 80%.
For as she strives to put right what Hades sundered, I have made a new discovery. One that heralds both destruction and opportunity.
The land is dying. People are suffering. Soon, they'll starve.
You get away! Below, those above, and that black mutt of yours. Come at me, all of you. Taste my axe! Brat! You call that a duel? The glare up here is dazzling. Fight me in the woods if you have the guts.